DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The boy, the Dan is back in the building.
Hey, boy! You know gun people.
Yeah, man, gang, you see what I deal with today. We're there with none other than, some would say, the queen of dancehall. You don't know what I'm talking about. You miss me know for boom boom. You see me, I say, you don't know who they are with. Yeah, man, we're there with the queen of dancehall right now. We're there with Spice. The one named 2085T. Right, check it out and see what I go on. Apparently, she's getting real creative. This one very different. As me I said, this been posted on IG and social media, a little preview. So we're gonna check out the full video, see what she'll deal with today. I know the ladies gonna love this one. Now we'll vibe much longer. Like I said, we there now with the queen of dancehall. We're there with Spice. You see me, the one I name 2085T. Right, check it out. Now we'll vibe much longer. Let's get the Spice 2085T. Let's get it.
Why? I need them not too good. But come
Mama Spice.
I'ma talk to you. This a 2085. Look back on things when me archive. Who never like me, them shoulda survive.
Who never like me shoulda survived 20 years. So she in the future talking about back in the day, alright?
Living up my best life. Back in the days me used to go on bad.
Alright,
Nobody
Granny.
dance like me, you must be mad.
Alright, Granny.
Used to make man glad, but me sorry say me kids never get a better
Damn.
dad. Me fight for me work and them get.
That's why I get pick me granny. Because I didn't think that granny are going without the bumbo. Hold on. Alright, here are going.
5. Look back on things when me archive. Who never like me, them shoulda survive. Fi see me living up my best life.
Yeah.
Back in the days me used to go
Granny.
bad. Nobody could dance like me, you must be mad. Me bumper so fat used to make my
Granny are going so. Oh, granny are going. Oh, granny are going so. Yeah.
Back in the days me used to go on bad. Nobody could not dance like me, you must be mad. Me bumper so fat used to make man glad. But me sorry say me kids never get a better dad. Me fight for me work and them
Shade tone. I know baby daddy right there. That's crazy. Alright.
get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. The same people where used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden now everybody tight. Them fight me so hard must it show me black. The 10-year contract make me shame the attack. Mash.
Damn, Wagwan. G's and peace, Spice. Let's piece up. Alright, I gotta focus on story, Wagwan. You see, yeah, man. Hold on, here, bro.
Me fight for me work and them get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. The same people where used to talk bad about them.
How that? A TCR, a rebel TCR pretty chat, Wagwan. Me know anything chat. Wagwan.
All of a sudden now everybody tight. Them fight me so hard must it show me black. The 10-year contract make me shame the attack. Mash mouth did I pay people fi no play my song. Now me have a couple platinum plaque.
I mean, that's I mean, I can't hold it down, woman. Go on.
I'm glad me I mind my business. Me no business with nobody business.
Yeah.
Me stay out of the way. I'm live my life. Me no business with nobody business. Right now me glad me I mind my business. Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of
Alright. I kind of like to chat, but we should do it in a regular voice, though. You see me, I say? Yeah.
the way. I'm live my life. Me no business with nobody business. Them say you must not live in regret. But enough people I should have never met. I'll know them voodoo still no work yet. Close.
This remind me of somebody in dancehall. Who does this remind me of? This remind me of a dancehall artist. They decided it, dog. Like Dr. Evil? No.
Yes, the attention where them never get. Me thank God say me heart never stop. All the hatred now that can't rap. I know fake people did they pan love and hip hop. When the camera turn on them start live cap. Me live with
Enough people love her. She find shots all over hip hop. Alright, go on.
the Optimus Prime and Terminator. Me go restaurant and I be a robot server. Never dream would I live see them your life, yeah. It's a place and have one human work. Them say want
Crazy.
you want
That's crazy. She talking about Wagwan. I guess she probably went to Japan and place, eh?
live with Optimus Prime and Terminator.
Wow.
Can't rap. I know fake people did they pan love and hip hop. When the camera turn on Me live with Optimus Prime and Terminator. Me go restaurant and I be a robot surfer. Never dream would I live to see them your life. Yeah. This a place and have one human work. Them say
That's crazy. That's crazy.
want it, can't get it. No for them get it and them still no want. That's why was sweet and the goat a go run in belly. So no bite more than you can try.
Yeah man, Jamaican proverbs. You better listen up, hey.
The moon and the bright eye shine. God say me never waste my time.
Yeah.
All of the moon and the bright eye shine. Work hard and me claim what's mine. Me glad
Spice.
me a mind my business. Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with nobody business. Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business with nobody business.
Spice no business, we don't know. Go and call her name. She no business, we don't know.
Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business.
She's right.
Nobody business.
Yeah.
This a 2085. Look back on things when me archive.
You know, Spice in a big bed, mama.
Who never like me, them shoulda survive. Fi see me living up my best life. Back in the days, me used to go on bad. Nobody could not dance like me, you must see mad. Me bumper so fat used to make man glad, but me.
Alright.
Me kids never.
Let's come with a different style on this one,
I
alright.
get a better dad. Me fight for me work, and them
Pinny never get a better. You should have a better man. Come on now, take responsibility.
get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. The same people where used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden now everybody tight. Them fight me so hard, must it show me black. The 10-year contract make me shame the attack. Mash mouth did I pay people fi no play my song. Now me have a couple platinum plaque.
Oh, yeah, I mean, big up yourself, mama. Go on.
Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way and me live my life. Me no business with nobody business. Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way
Granny, go on.
and me live my life. Me no business with nobody business.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Spice. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, mama. Yeah, man. I do your thing. They want it different. You see me? Spice, I'm going to know saying you can go and call up her name. You know that she no business. We don't know at all. She live her best life. She good. She put in the work. And she there where she there. And she good now. The whole fight she that get. She done with it. You see me? She not in her no. No lower. Yeah, man. I say she not in her people, bro. You see me? People are pay if you don't play her music. Now she have platinum plaques. You see me? She try to help someone dance and then try to do that. You see me? I say them try to call out. Hey, what? I'm not business, you know. I just do my thing, stay in my one lane. I'm not business, you know. Go and call up my name. I live my life, I'm good. You see me? I say big up Spice. She do her thing. She no business, you know. You see me? I say. But people, let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me? Go ahead and drop in the comments. You see me? Let me know what your favorite for beats, lyrics, melody, video. You feel me? The character, let me know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Let me know who she was talking about in most of the lines. You see me? If I missed anything, let me know what I missed. All that good stuff, man. And drop your request, you know you're gonna get your shout out. You already know, man. Like I said, if you like, you can show the artist on love and support, making us at Jambisco dance. Send on there I can. I run it up. I put in your work. You see? Yeah, man. You don't know what time it is. Till next time, gang. The boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other, guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.